The trains are very hard, but we have dominated the bushes. And we have used a lot of intelligence to pick most of the kidnappers. Most of the kidnappers have been picked, and you saw us recovering ransoms and showing it. So that's where the area is calm. Other crimes like one chance, I have said this several times, that there's no law in this country that has established any crime offense to be one chance. No law. One chance is just robbery. Since I took over, we treated them because they are robbers. We have to treat them like robbers. And they know that, I said it the first day I took over, that I pity them because they don't know what they're doing. So they don't know what they're doing is robbery. When you kidnap somebody in your vehicle and along the line you confiscate everything and push the person off the road, it's robbery. You obtain those things by force. And when force is applied in obtaining it, becomes robbery. So there's no law like one chance. And I have said, don't call it one chance where I am, because it is robbery.